All right, let's see what's popping. Look how he set it up on the conveyor belt. Okay, so first thing first, where is his safety gear? Like, where is his apron? Where is his... That looks so gross. Where's your safety clothes, sir? Like, I don't y'all finna flatten it out? That was just some chicken end pieces. What is that? Man. And then they touching on everything with the same gloves. What was that? How y'all rolling the chicken nuggets out to... How y'all... cutting... it's rubbery like fruit roller. I look like one. I look like a blanket when you them cheap blankets you buy from Ross. Look at her rolling it up. Oh my god, like a carpet. Why are you guys carrying this with your bare clothes? Like what is and your arm hairs and everything is all over it. You might as well take the mask off. Look how he rolling it. That is so freaking gross. And to know I was buying them McDonald's chicken nuggets. Come on, yeah, give me the spicy, give me the fresh. Look at what I was eating. Yeah, I don't eat that no more. But it's interesting to watch that. Man, that is so gross. Yeah, stop feeding y'all kids that. Make them some fresh nuggets at home. Man, make you some fresh nuggets. Stop buying this fake stuff. Yeah, I'm good. Period.